everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to zoom in and out on Capcut. To do this, first of all, open your Capcut application and choose a video in which you want to add this feature. Once you do that, on the button you will see a lot of options. First of all, choose the video and then search for animation on the button. Once you found it, click on the animation. And then there you will see zoom in and out option. Simply hit on the zoom option and there you go. You have added zoom in and out feature in your video using Capcut. So in this very easy way, you can add this feature. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.